Life in a big city. Life in a big city is appealing and attractive because of the facilities and amenities it offers to the people. Several people are enticed to abandon small towns and villages to move to big cities because of the lifestyle it provides. They toil away in order to enjoy the life of their dreams, but not everyone succeeds in their efforts. Many of these people end up in despair and either return to their hometowns or live a life full of chaos and mental tension. Big cities have endless opportunities. There is no denying that big cities have limitless opportunities. In contrast to small towns where work and business prospects are scarce, big cities offer a wide range of employment and business opportunities. The industrial sector is expanding at a rapid pace, necessitating an increasing number of workers to occupy various roles. So, individuals with a variety of educational backgrounds and job experiences are required. Similarly, the service market is expanding rapidly. Since these companies are mainly based in major cities, the number of job openings is greater. Many of these places of employment recruit workers with only rudimentary experience of the profession and educate them on the job. Large cities also have a plethora of educational institutes and vocational centers that teach and prepare people for various occupations. There are plenty of opportunities for someone who is able to study and put in the effort. Loneliness and solitary. In the big cities, there is a lot of competition. Everybody wants to make more money, look better, and have a better life. The majority of people in this country are so overwhelmed by influence and wealth that they are unable to see past it. They work long hours and compete with their friends, family, neighbors, and even their own siblings for money. They are often left alone in the rush to obtain items. They may be able to earn a decent living and live a comfortable lifestyle, but they are also unhappy because they have no one with whom to share their joy. And if a major city has all of the latest conveniences, its residents frequently suffer from isolation and depression. This is in stark contrast to life in towns and villages, where relationships are valued and people look out for one another. Big cities offer comfort at the cost of peace. Life in big cities can be described as chaotic. There is a lot of activity going on. People live in a concrete jungle far off from the natural world. Their lives can be comfortable, but they do so at the expense of their mental health. While they could have improved medical services, the risks of developing health conditions in large cities are still very high. This is attributed to the high levels of pollution in these areas, as well as the rising levels of tension among residents. Similarly, while major cities have great schools and universities, the level of competition here is stripping children of their childhood. In the big cities, the living costs are very huge. It is important to work hard day in and day out in order to keep a healthy lifestyle and social status. The majority of people in big cities take out large loans to buy things like houses, cars, and other products. It can be difficult to repay these debts while retaining their current lifestyle. As a result, despite living a comfortable life, they are never at ease in the cities. Conclusion: life in a big city may seem to be simple, but it is really very difficult. It can be incredibly challenging. Not everybody will be able to make it here.